Murio Bamasaba mwesi mwenayo kama sinado kasikimono mwakansi programu Bamasaba to the world. Shalune programu eyi yabele ihali nyangu takulwa sina nakanilo omundu nasesi niyangile ngemutundu bihire nawula haka Bamasaba na iya mundu yanyaba wamenya Bamasaba kweli kwahabisa namuhake hari walomare ustofu walomanya ari namurerere akuboleho bikehe byesamanya kuba umusana uyu sali wakhunota sali umusali hana we mu Africa ta nengo khwametsa mu Africa namwe nomedi bukiswa malari yambi kimya kibili alomari weikile lulimi anyala wakhesa wasabya khulya namwe wasaba ni umundu wamulekelesa atya namwe wamuwa nobere khumokesa inzira anamurerere akanihenga nalomele mbone manya walumanya namwe ahambulisa busa papa nakhwakanile ibule wenani
wanyala maikali mlembe
mulembe mwene
yena
ndiyo kama sina banani
kali
kama sina ko kama sina bakulanga bali nani
ndumulai
ulumulai are kama sina ko what's your name
Tom
Listen to your young and we have two names.
Thomas Zelenka.
Thomas Zelenge.
Zelenka.
Okay, now since Zelenge.
Call me Timothy.
I can hold myself this woman. Waka waminya lola wa?
Kali mama. Little
kidogo. Wara mwani Swahili.
Because we are near the boundary, so we are talking even Kiswahili from there.
Arika ni Burundi.
Burundi.
Sisindi,
I don't know what is the
meaning. Okay, now you're going to help me just speak the little Bamasaba, you know. You speak alone. That's all. The one of greeting.
I told you my limit is greetings and then starting the conversation.
Okay, before we started the program, you talked of intentions to be circumcised.
That is the intention.
What's the who Bamasaba?
It is because I will get married soon. So we have talked at home and she said.
Wafuna halo mahasi? Umahasi wamufuna? Hoka na baho hebe no funa mahasi?
What do you say?
Baho hebe after circumcision.
After circumcision, we shall stay together and start a family.
Do you already have a bride?
No. Yes, the woman is there, but I'm not yet married. These are a local marriage. We have done it. We have talked to the parents. They have agreed. So. She has now 25.
25 years. I was asking about dowry.
Dowry. They say first bring some little money and the animals later.
So the little money, okay, anyway, the animals later. When I plan to take the animals?
We start a farm. From there we can get whatever we want.
You just give in according to what you'll have by that time.
Now we are planning with Honorable, so it is more easy to manage that thing because she's even a relative.
Okay. Any other word in Bamasaba? Ta. So aminya hokumwenya ta. Arikali.
I will learn.
Now you summarize for me the little Bamasaba, you know.
Blame Bemai or Yena, Kamakwa.
Kasira.
Tawe, Kasira, then Bulai, Bulamu.
Papa Mai.
Papa Mai, Papa Mai, it is basics.
The video.
Then for the children, they call them, I forgot. There was a word for...
Mwana.
No? We call the young ones.
Babana.
Babana.
Then video, which food have you tasted?
I eat local food. It is cassava. Then we have banana, patoke. Then
Kamalea.
Malewa. Malewa. It is one of the most nicest food. Then beans, maragwe.
Beans, maragwe. Okay. So in Kampala, in Uganda, where do you stay? In Ganonzilemo, Wasai.
At the moment, I stay in Bumbo, between Bumbo and Magali. Putetea.
Butete.
Putetea.
Butetea. That's a good level issue.
It is called Putetea because of the primary school.
Butetea primary school. Oh.
And I stay with my girl up at the branch. It is between Sibanga and Mufutu.
Sibanga and Mufutu. Ubutu.
No, it is when you go from Magali to Bumbo, you branch out halfway up on the hill. It is on the cliff, under the mountains.
So, kana humenye no pakalini. I was asking, for how long will you stay in Bugisu?
In Uganda since 2018. But with Honorable, we stood together from 21.
Okay. Any other remarks?
At the moment, no.
Do you think it's possible to learn Lumasaba?
It is absolutely. Some words are some are a little bit different, but if you start hearing, it is possible fluently. I have friends from Pakistan. He talks perfectly.
Okay.
It is just because if you stay with people who are talking the local language, it is more easy. So then you have to start thinking in the same language you are talking. My original language is German. Then I learned Italian. Then I went to Swiss. There we have another type of dialect. I learned in Brazil Portuguese. From there I came here, then a little bit of Kiswahili. Now Uganda. I think now I'm thinking in English, but before you always change the language you are in. That is the difficulty. The shift from English at Lumasaba. When it comes, it will run fluently.
Okay. So what's your Lumasaba name?
Lumasaba name Akona.
Balo, what is that? Why not? They should give you.
They will.
You think they will?
We have said, they call me Magnololi because of the relatives from Honorable, the grandfather. So
Magnololi?
Magnololi.
Then when is your circumcision happening?
Should be. We are talking about, because on the playground, Namototo.
Ibu
Now they are starting at 4, but I don't know if we are managing it. So if not, so it will be around 20 August.
Bale mwawulira omusende bataba muheba nkwesinane. Wawulira. Are you going to be circumcised the Chigishu way?
Traditional way, yes.
Will you be smeared?
I think so. It is part of the tradition.
Are you sure you will stand the knife?
Brain says no pain, you will not feel. If you feel, it is here starts. No? But if the signal not comes, you have to stand firm. That is it. You shall manage.
Have you learned some of the songs that you'll sing?
No.
Because you're supposed to sing for us as we come around.
I have trained. We have some videos. I have trained with the children, the young ones now.
Are you playing it in Nemba?
We have trained it the other day, just at Magali. We had a function where they train up the young ones for circumcision. They have those things. Then the dancing, all those movements. Those ones.
You cannot. I wanted you to recite for me at least a line of one of the songs you've learned. It's still scarce, but you should learn slowly. You have less than 2 weeks to learn that song.
I know.
Sing for us.
We shall start today. I will talk to him and he say, You just register it, and then I will learn it up from the registration.
Okay, now your last remarks to the Bamasaba, people who are watching you. Lumasaba. This program is called Lumasaba to the World.
Yes.
So what is your message to the people watching you right now?
People should come. You come and visit Uganda, especially our corner. It is very friendly people. Hospital. You can have everything you want. People are very okay. Thank you.
Lumasaba, Sima. How do you say thank you in Lumasaba?
Wanyala mai.
Na wanyala huita papa.
Kale.
Kale Bamasaba mwawulire umusani owetsira kana bamuhebe. Ariwe wakire ni huhu ikaluli Lumasaba namba samwa kase muri umuntu ngo ari mukamani basi muhayata. Haho ambasa ura ahanyale huimhemba lungana kanihire mukwesinani. Hena kamano isimameni program ikindi.
Vai, não vai sair assim. Lá por dentro já viu bom do vídeo, né? La hapo ndio kumwa kwa kweli mtani. Adisa hivi unaona shamba hawezi kufungula hiyo. Yes sir.